awaited EV dump truck launch event on this exciting journey into the future of sustainable mobility. Putting hands together for the Honorable Minister for Road Transport and Highways in the Government of India, Shri Minister Gadkari ji. Deep respect, ladies and gentlemen, I request our managing director to kindly thank you for unveiling this amazing electric dump truck completely designed, engineered and manufactured in India.
A very good afternoon to all of you. It's with immense pride that I stand before you today to unveil groundbreaking chapter in Propel journey at the prestigious EXCON 2023. We are delighted to introduce our indigenous electric vehicle EV dump truck, a testament to our commitment to innovation and sustainability. I'm honored by the presence of our esteemed Chief Guest, Sri Nitin Gadkari, the Minister of Road Transport and Highways of India, whose vision has been instrumental in driving advancement in transportation sector. Our Make in India EV dump trucks, available in two variants, 470 MEV and 470 HEV, signify a paradigm shift in mining industry with a gross vehicle weight of 45 tons and 60 tons respectively. Let me share some key highlights of our EV dump truck. Its battery packs are ranging from 170 kilowatt to 450 kilowatt, can be chosen based on specific application, ensuring flexibility and affordability. Our operation efficiency is custom configured batteries tailored to mine conditions, providing 6 to 12 hours on single charge with a rapid charging of just 1 hour. Propel EV trucks offer substantial saving in fuel cost. It can reduce the cost by up to 80% of fuel trucks. Equipped with advanced safety features, including automatic fire extinguisher, leakage current detection, payload detection, driver fatigue warning, automatic headlamp dimmer, and crash detection. Utilizing lithium batteries with a chilled cooling system, ensuring optimal battery temperature even in harsh environment. Features like HVAC, cooled cabin, air suspension, automatic transmission, onboard diagnosis ensures driver comfort, while the reinforced chassis frame and heavy-duty hub detection axle guarantee durability in extreme conditions. Propel Industries is proud to be the first indigenous EV dump truck manufacturer in India, making a significant milestone in our journey. Our experience in mines and quarries has guided the design of these trucks to maximize efficiency in mining operations. As we navigate this new frontier, we are dedicated to expand our range of electric trucks to on-road application by second quarter of fiscal 2024 with ongoing homologation process to validate the roadworthiness. So thank you very much for coming to this event, and